Okay, guys. So these are the vexel preposition. First preposition is auf. Okay, auf meaning on. Okay, for horizontal surface. Next preposition is an, meaning on for vertical surface. Next is hinter, meaning behind. Next is unter, meaning under or below. Next, über, over or above. Next is for, in front of. Next is in or inside. Next is neben, next to or beside. And last one is zwischen, meaning between. Okay, so how we can learn it? If if we see the short form, Ahu wins. Ahu wins. Like this is a short form to remember all these vexel preposition. Guys, clear till here, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ashpreet and Vanshika, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So, what are the verbs we basically use to tell the position? Okay, so first is liegen, meaning to lie or to be located. Next is stehen, to stand. Next is hängen,
Two hands.
to hang. Next is sein. Is this clear, everyone? Till here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Okay, example first. Okay, Vanshika, please read.
Das Buch liegt,
Book, book,
der Buch liegt dash fish.
dash, dash, dish. Okay. So, guys, which preposition do you think will come here?
Auf.
Auf. Okay, why? Ashpreet, why auf?
So because table is a horizontal surface.
Yes. Okay. What is the meaning of tish and article? Yes, article for Tish. Anyone?
There.
Yes, article is there. Okay, das Buch liegt auf dash Tisch. Okay, so guys, this is no movement verb, right? So, do we use dative or accusative case for no movement? For no movement, we use dative case. Do you remember everyone?
Yeah, sir.
So there will change to masculine will change to
Them.
them. So das Buch liegt auf dem Tisch. Is this clear, everyone?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah,
Next,
sir.
Vanshika.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Nana, clear?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. So die Flasa steht dash dash Tisch. Steht is to stand. Okay, this is also no movement. So we will use again dative case. So which preposition will come here?
Auf.
Correct, Nana? Auf, dative. This is masculine gender, and according to dative, we will change to them.
Them.
Is this clear, everyone?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Next example. Okay. Yes, Nana, please read the sentence.
Das Bild hängt dash dash Wand.
Okay. What is the meaning of wand?
Wall.
Yes. So, guys, which preposition will come here?
An.
Okay. On. Why on, Nana?
Sir, because it is in the vertical surface.
Yes. So, das Bild hanged on. Okay. So, is this in movement or no movement?
No movement. Dative case.
Yeah. So, what will come here then?
There.
Okay. What is the article of wand?
Feminine.
Feminine. And what will change here according to feminine?
There.
There. Das Bild hang on their wand. Everyone clear?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Yes, Harshpreet, please read.
The Tasha state
Yeah.
dash dash monitor.
Yeah. Okay. So what will come here? Yes, please see the see this preposition.
Neben.
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 Yeah. And article. What is the article for monitor?
Masculine.
Masculine. And what will change according to masculine?
Them.
Them.
Die Tasche steht neben dem Monitor. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, guys, please do.
For.
Okay, correct. Article.
Sir, night room.
Them.
Yeah, what will come here?
Them.
Them.
The Zeitung leaked for them book. Is this clear? The newspaper is lying in front of the book.
Book.
Yes, guys, please do. Yes.
Entered.
Okay, correct. An article.
Night room.
What will come here?
Them.
Is this clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, guys, please tell the answer.
Uber.
With article, tell with article also.
Uber them.
Okay, correct, Nana. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, answer.
Unter.
Article.
Unter them.
Vanshika, clear? Arshpreet, Vanshika.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, Vanshika, you answer now. Vanshika, answer.
In there.
Yes, answer. What?
Sir, in or them.
In them.
Yes, sir.
Okay, correct. Okay, guys. So, is this clear? Or should I give you more examples? Please tell.
Flower, sir.
Okay, please take the photo, screenshot. Clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Vanshika, please read this.
As fetish. All ready या फिर everything ready.
Yeah.
Die Einwandsur Feier sehen Sie das bald an, was ist wo? What is the meaning of Einwandsur?
Okay, opening ceremony.
The opening ceremony. Look at the picture. What is fair?
Yeah. Okay. So guys, we are again revising the concept जो अभी हमने सीखा था. Okay. If you see here, वो, where, with this dot you can understand no movement or position you are going to tell. Okay. In plus dative. वो state is there shrunk. Okay. So now, like if we are going to tell the position with no movement, so we will use in and dative case. Okay, if we see the table, there, das, the, there will change to them, their floor, in them, im floor, das bad, in them, im bad, the kusha, in their kusha, was in the busha, the regala, in then regalan. Is this clear, everyone?
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So here in preposition, if you see here, there are more preposition which we have already studied. An, auf, hinter, in, neben, über, unter, for, sweissen. We will use dative case with no movement. Wo is das Bild? Unter them, Fernseher. Okay, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Okay.
sir.
Yes. Now, guys, you will make at least three or four sentences. Everyone, how you will tell the position. For an example, their computer stay hut. auf dem Tisch. See this? Die Lampe hängt Die Lampe hängt über dem Mann. Is this clear, everyone? Guys, please tell.
Yeah, sir.
Should I give you more example? Or you want to try? Okay. Das Bild hängt See this? Das Bild hängt über dem Fernseher. Or you can also make Das Bild hängt an der Wand.